So we're doing the tie rod ends, outer on one side of the Econoline 150, and I didn't find any information on YouTube about just replacing, the parts. But when I purchased them, they sold me the individual pieces, which is great. That's what I was looking for, because that all looks good, and that doesn't, right? So bought me a new one from Napa. It was $10 cheaper than Advance Auto Parts, and ended up, when I took off this one, I bent that part. Napa also told me that. So I just wanted to let it be known, after a lot of hard work and knuckle busting and torching and so on and so forth, you can rescue, the older parts. I spent like $38 to replace this, and it was like over 200 for a new bar and that other bar and all other pieces, and I didn't really need to do it, and I couldn't afford it anyways. So I just want to let anybody on YouTube know that it can be done. um, you know I recommend, honestly, replacing this this piece, because when you try to, if it doesn't come off nicely, um, that means the adjustment later is not going to go nicely. So it's important, I think. But there you go. Replace that tie rod end. This one's on the passenger side of the Econoline 150, and it's got the old school sleeve. Um, you can buy the parts individually at Napa, just so you know. Here's part numbers for that. Part number for that. So get it done cheap, son.